Welcome to our channel. Today, we're delving into the topic of initiation and how you can initiate yourself into the beautiful path of Wicca. Initiation is a deeply personal and transformative process. In Wicca, it signifies a commitment to the craft and embarking on a spiritual journey of self-discovery. To initiate yourself into Wicca, you don't need an external ceremony or a coven. Self-dedication is a valid form of initiation for solitary practitioners. Begin by taking some time for introspection and reflection. Ask yourself why you're drawn to Wicca and what you hope to achieve on this path. Explore your beliefs, values, and connection with nature and the divine. Create a sacred space for your self-initiation. This can be a corner of your room, a peaceful outdoor spot, or any place that resonates with you. Decorate it with symbols and items that represent the elements, deities, and your personal journey. When you're ready, light a candle as a symbol of divine presence and illumination. State your intentions and make a solemn commitment to follow the Wiccan path with love, respect, and responsibility. Use this time to connect with the divine. Invoke the deities that resonate with you. You can say something like, "I call upon the God and Goddess, divine forces of creation and manifestation. Be present with me now as I dedicate myself to the Wiccan path. Guide me, teach me, and bless me on this journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth." Reflect on your connection with nature and the elements. Feel the energy of the earth beneath your feet, the air around you, the warmth of the fire, and the flowing water. Embrace their presence within you. Express gratitude to the deities and the elements for their guidance and support. You can say something like, "I offer my gratitude to the God and Goddess, the elements, and all the energies that have witnessed this dedication. I am grateful for their presence and the blessings they bring." Take a few moments to meditate and connect with the divine energy that surrounds you. Open yourself to receiving insights, inspiration, and spiritual guidance. Close the ritual by extinguishing the central candle, symbolizing the end of the ceremony. Express your gratitude once again, thanking the deities and the energies for their presence and support. Ground yourself once more, feeling rooted and connected to the earth. After the ritual, take time to journal your experiences, thoughts, and emotions. Reflect on your dedication and set intentions for your ongoing spiritual journey in Wicca. Remember, this is just one example, and you can adapt and personalize the ritual to align with your beliefs and preferences. It's always advisable to study and research further, consult reliable resources, and seek guidance from experienced practitioners as you embark on your Wiccan path. Remember, self-initiation is a deeply personal and meaningful step on your Wiccan path. Trust your intuition, study various traditions, and adapt rituals to suit your needs. Seek knowledge, practice magic, and continue to grow and evolve. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this brief exploration of self-initiation into Wicca has inspired you to embark on your own magical journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Wiccan wisdom. Until next time, blessed be.